You see, if it's completely still and you push it, there's nothing. I'll show you how to use this Bolt scooter, and we'll go for a ride. So first you open the Bolt app. So I'm flipping it, have the Bolt app. Here you choose scan. The scooter is over here, just in front of me. Here is the QR code, and you scan it with the app. You see? Scan it. Find new scooter. Okay, that does not work. Got it. Take here. There's another scooter here. You see? Let's go. Scan again. Find new scooter. So you saw it did not work from the first time. We have to I'll find another scooter, then continue with the test. Here are the scooters. Let's try. I'm scanning it. Okay, have 24 kilometers. So you take out the pedal, and to accelerate you have to use this button here, but first you have to push it a little bit. Let's try. I have no idea how it's going to work. Oh! Ooh. It is next to impossible to operate it with one hand, because one hand uses the brake, so it's crazy. Okay, let's film a little bit the road. It's easy enough, but quite often people don't understand that to use the accelerator, just a moment, to use this button you have to have already some speed. You see, if it's completely still and you push it, there's nothing. Okay, I'm pushing it and let's start. Ah! Okay, that's it. I'll end this test because it's too dangerous. It is very difficult to drive it with two hands, and with one is like extremely dangerous. And now to finish the ride, you open the app again. Just a moment. And you press finish. then you make a photo. Okay, that's enough.
Ride finished. Please don't forget to wash your hands.
So that's it. The ride is done. Trams are not working and it will start raining soon. Take a look. I think it already started. One tram. There is one tram over there. And the one tram on the tram stop. Maybe I should use the time and go to the market, the Baltic railway station market, which is just behind me, not behind the tram. There is the market. Or just wait here for the rain to stop. Let's see. In the other direction the trams are moving still. It's getting stronger, much stronger. But the tree is keeping me dry. That's why plant more trees. Now the microphone is off, and I see that maybe one tram will push the other tram from behind. Let's see how it goes. Take a look. Just a moment.